It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. Features include auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, M-Brace 2 external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. This from Cars.com. Small in size, but big otherwise, the design of the Mercedes-Benz GLA blends nicely with the curvaceous styling language currently in vogue. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.